Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to see how we can change the color of the object. Here you can see I have these two identically looking objects and both are having the same color. So you may come across a situation where you have to compare these two bodies which are superimposed on each other. So how you can do? So here to change the color or to change the translucency of that object, you have to go in the view tab. In view, you have this edit this object display. You can click on that and you need to select the body that you want to change. So I want to change the color of this body to click on OK. From here, you can change the color of it. I want to change its color to blue. So I select this one and click on OK. Just click on apply. So here you can see the body color has been changed to blue. As it is superimposed, let me turn off this first object. So here you can see the color of this body is turned blue. Let's say if you want to change the color of this face as a red. So how you can do? You can press Ctrl plus J. It will turn on the class selection. From the selection filter, you can select the face as I want to select this face of that particular object. So let me select this face. If you want to select the multiple faces, you can do that as well. Let me select all of them. Just click OK. From here, you can change the color of it to the red. Let's click apply. So this is how you can change the color of it. If you want to change the translucency of this object, how you can do? Just press Ctrl plus J, select the whole object and click OK. Here there is a translucency option. From here you can control the translucency of this object. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.